In this video I will compare the Hume Health Body Pod against standard smart scales to see if the upgraded technology justifies the investment. When you look at the Body Pod versus a basic digital scale, the contrast is massive. While most devices only track weight, the Body Pod provides a full body segmental scan covering 45 different metrics. This includes deep insights like visceral fat, metabolic age, and even intracellular water health across your arms, torso, and legs. A standout feature here is the lean mass preservation tracking, which is essential for those on GLP-1 programs who want to ensure they are losing fat rather than muscle. The hardware is backed by a 10-year warranty that includes on-request servicing and sensor recalibration, offering a level of long-term reliability that cheap competitors simply can't match. You also get a free app and free shipping, making the initial setup seamless. If you are serious about data-driven fitness, the trade-off for a higher price point is the sheer depth of the body composition grades and asymmetry flags for your limbs. For the average user, it might be overkill, but for biohackers and health enthusiasts, the Body Pod is a clear winner. Thanks for watching my review of the Hume Body Pod. If you found these insights helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more deep dives into health tech. Let me know in the comments if you think 45 metrics is enough for your goals.